Hello, this is John Jackman, and we're looking at the stormwater system for Colchester, Vermont, and we're going to zoom into an area. And what we're looking at is their stormwater. We're going to turn on the structures. And as the structures come in, you can see what we have. Okay. And what we do is we have a crew going out, and they're actually going to be cleaning catch basins. So what we want to do is click on the catch basin we're going to clean. And what we want to get for the main thing is that the asset ID number for this structure is 1369. Okay? So what we're going to do, so it's catch basin CB 1369. So we want to fill out a work order. So what we have here is our work order form, and this is in the edit format, so we can update the form as needed. You can see that we have 1,329 work orders that have been completed, but we want to fill out a form, so we're going to click on this preview, which allows us to actually go in and fill out the form. Okay, so we're going to we've signed in as Colchester, Vermont, and we're going to tap on the date that this is being done. The structure ID, which we know is catch basin, and even if you had forgotten, you can just tab over and say 1369, go back to this and type in your 1369. And this is going to be inspection as part of maintenance. The weather is dry. Location, because we have the ID already. Type of structure. Size is 24 by 24. Is it bike safe? Is the structure precast concrete, block, round, so it's precast. And the size is a 48. And what we do is we have a measurement, depth to the outlet invert, so that was 4.3, and that's in feet. Don't type in feet because we just want the number. Top to the material, 5.2, and depth to the bottom from the rim is 6.5 feet. So we know what the sump depth is, the outlet invert minus this, so we could actually do that, but we don't really need to. And number of pipes coming in, there's 3. Silk rating, if the sump was full but it wasn't. So debris, what kind of debris? And so, is there any pet, odor, foam, discoloration, oil sheen, floatables? And you can click 2 of these, if there was 2. Signs of erosion, none. surcharge? None. Now the structural, is the cover in good shape? If it is, a 1. Frame, 1. Chimney needs a little work. Cone is in good shape. Barrel's in good shape. Floor's in good shape. Pavement around it is in good shape. Okay, what kind of deposit? Is it light soil, medium, heavy? So we're going to say moderate. Odor, what is the odor? And we did have a little odor, but we'll say it was basically more compost, probably due to leaves. And is there any recommended work? None. General notes, looks good. You take a photo, and we'll get a photo from the drive. And here's a good photo. We'll insert that. Inspector's initials, and hit submit. So that's a standard inspection during the cleaning of a catch basin. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Okay, thank you. Bye.